Welcome back to another video. Got some more goodies. This time from ARES Airgun Tactical in the States. Shout out to Zachary. Sorted these out for me. Wouldn't normally post to the United Kingdom, but after a couple of messages backwards and forwards, he did sort it. That was an absolutely beautiful piece of wood. Very nice. It's a comparison with the original. Slightly bigger, but more in line with the form of it than the Home Defense 24 one. You need to use your original bolt for this item. Beautiful. A little bit more, a little bit slight in the hand, a bit thinner. Actually quite nice that. So, look at the profile of it. Quite a bit thinner in the palm swell there. Feels really nice that. Yes. Beautiful colour. What do you think? Next up, we've got the aluminium loading gate, CNC machined. Much better. There we go. Nice little ARES Tactical logo on there. Very nice. Looks absolutely beautiful in the natural light. That was just a quick video. If you liked the video, give us a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. Thanks to any new subscribers. And I'll see you on the next video.